Hello, ma'am. My name is Laurian Juan Miguel from Section TN05. Today, I'll be presenting one of the most exciting ICT trends shaping the future agentic AI. This technology is considered a marvel in computing and is already making a huge impact in industries worldwide. But what is agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that act as autonomous agents. Unlike traditional AI, which only respond to prompts, agentic AI can plan, reason, and execute tasks independently. Think of it as an AI assistant that doesn't just answer questions. It manages projects, schedule tasks, and even negotiate deals. But why is it trending? This technology is trending because it automates complex workflows, reduces human workload, and improves decision making. Businesses are adopting agentic AI to boost efficiency and productivity. For example, Microsoft Copilot agents can automate enterprise tasks while Salesforce Instance helps companies manage customers' relationship intelligently. Fourth, what is it? Real world applications. Agentic AI is already being applied in various fields. For example, in healthcare, it analyzes patient data and recommends treatments autonomously. Finance, it detects frauds, optimizes investments. Logistics, it manages supply chains and predicts delivery times. These applications show how agentic AI is transforming industries. And now, what is the impact on computing society? The impact of agentic AI is massive. It's expected to drive billions in economic value and redefine how humans and machines collaborate. This technology promises smarter automation, better decision making, and a future where machine work alongside us seamlessly. And now, in short, agentic AI is not just a trend, it's revolution. It's shaping the next era of computing next era of computing and will change the way we live and work. As the saying goes, AI won't replace humans, but humans using AI will replace those who don't. Thank you, ma'am.